Hey Misty, here's this video I talked to you about, and I wanted to get it sent to you pretty quickly. What I'm going to do today is briefly go over a few things that you all can do to improve your website. And again, the tips and tricks are actually for you to help you improve your online presence yourself. If this is something that you're not familiar with, or you don't have someone that can do it, you can definitely reach back out to me and I can help you with all this. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing, and what I do is I help local companies that's having a hard time getting to the top of the Google search get to the top of Google search. As you can see, whenever I searched you, you are actually kind of towards the bottom of the second page, and that's a lot of information you got to go through just in order to get that. 75% of consumers usually buy from the top 3 in the map pack, so that's why it's so important to get there. And 70% of those people don't even go to the second page. So being to the first page is very crucial. And the first thing I notice on your website is I love the layout. I love the pictures and stuff on here, honestly. I love the way this comes in. It's just missing content. You're lacking content on this site. I love the pictures. I don't know if the pictures are saved. Let me show you something here real quick. This is another trick of the trade that I usually don't tell nobody, but I want to show you that I know what I'm talking about. See how this is saved as gallery 12 gallery -012. Okay. What I do is I will save these as keywords for your area. Owensboro Roofing, Paynes Roofing, Owensboro Roof Damage, things like that. Those are buyer intent keywords. So we need 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this home page. And then these back pages from here out need to have 500 to 750 words on all these pages. And as you can see, they're very descriptive. You're doing exactly what you need to do. And it is more appealing for your customer to come through here and not have a whole lot of content to trudge through, but it's not good for Google. Google loves content. Content is king. Google loves to see a site filled with content because they view it as informative and helpful. And again, with SEO, which is search engine optimization, what I specialize in, I know all the things that Google wants to do and what they need in order to move higher on ranks. Now, I've also got your competitor pulled up here. This is the #1 competitor in your area. And as you see, they really have no content. We can smoke these sites. We can take everything that this #1 competitor is doing, implement that, and then more. And the way I do that is with my tool. It is a tool called Ahrefs. And as you see, I've got the #1 company in Owensboro right here at the very top. And then I have your business in here as well, Paynes Roofing. Now this right here, the UR and the DR, this is the strength of your site and the popularity. So the strength and popularity of theirs is a little higher, and this is out of 100, so they're pretty far off the mark. But this is another thing that helps is backlinks. You've got 32 backlinks, and they've got 82 backlinks. And this is pretty impressive to me. A lot of companies I've shot these videos for that I work with don't have a lot of organic traffic. So this is impressive to me. This shows that you have 10 people a month that are organically coming from your website, that comes to your site. So your competitors have 22. Now we want to double, we want to triple that number, and we can do it with the things that we can implement. Content, backlinks. Backlinks is simply their URL is in another blog post, another website somewhere on the net, and it links back to their homepage here. They've got 82. You've got 32, and that's no problem at all. What I can do is with this tool is I go in here and I actually see where they get their backlinks from, and then I can go in here and mimic and match all of these and get you all these backlinks as well. All 72 of these backlinks I can convert to you, plus the connects I have on the backlinks that I already have in play. I can add those to your website as well. Now, another thing that helps you rank is citations. That is name, address, phone number, also known as NAP. So you can go to Yellow Pages and you can put in Paynes Roofing. You can put the number in and your address, and that counts as a citation, further giving you more strength and more trust to your site. And what I do is I go out and find blogs or create a blog myself that is specific for your site. So I can make a blog with Owensboro roofing keywords, and then I have that link back to your page, which gives it more strength and more trust. And now with the keywords, the last thing I'll go over with real quick with you, these are not buyer intent keywords. Tough deck, that is not one. Roofing contractors, Owensboro, Kentucky is actually keywords. You actually got some good keywords in here. They're just not being tossed around in your content. They need to be embedded in this content. They need to be embedded in your pictures. You've actually done a pretty decent job of this. But you'll take roofing contractors, Owensboro, Kentucky. That is a keyword difficulty of 0 and a search volume of 30. So that means 30 more eyes on your website a month. Paynes Roofing, 90 more eyes a month with 0 keyword difficulty. I like to have this keyword difficulty under 5 because it helps rank quicker. And what I do is I go find all the keywords specific to your business and specific to your area, and I put them in that content. So again, you need 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, 500 to 750 on the back pages. And whatever research I do on your competition, I find out where they're at and their rankings and standings with content, backlinks, keywords, and citations, and I try to double that, and I try to triple that. That way, there's no back and forth. Once you get to that top pack search and you're up there, you're staying there. And that's what I do monthly SEO for, is I constantly improve your sites to help them rank and stay ranked. So I hope you all enjoyed the video that I sent to you today. My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. My cell phone number is 270-841-3600. Misty, I hope all this helps you all, the tips and improvements that I have for your site. If you all can do it, that is awesome. At the end of the day, I just want to help local companies, especially underdog local companies that's not on the first page. I don't have anything against the first page because that's where I move all my clients to. But those are not my clients in those top 3 spots, and I'm trying to find only a few people that I can work with to get them that top spot. I won't work with more than 3 because if I work with 4, they will not have that top spot on the local map listing, and it wouldn't be fair to them or my services. So I hope all this helps you all out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.